Hey, Dr. Lindsey and Wendy here. This is a different type of video for us. This is a 14-year-old kid that came with his dad. They're government employees, and so they move around a fair amount. And when he was a newborn, they removed some type of benign lesion from his scalp. My guess is a hemangioma or something. But that's been 13 years ago, and he has this scar on the back of his head, which, as many of you know, my daughter's had some hair loss due to therapy, and it's a big deal for these kids, and particularly in that age when all the other kids start making fun of him. And
because the picture that they sent first for us to contact them was him sitting in school on the desk, and then I guess the mom took the pictures. You could see the white spot in there.
Yeah. And he and his dad came in, and his dad's got no hair loss, and so his mother's dad didn't have much hair loss, so he's probably good as far as hair goes, except for this scar. And so you really have three choices. You can cut that scar out, but the younger you are, the more collagen that's in your skin, and the less improvement you're going to get with a scar excision. Two is you can put a tissue expander and blow up the surrounding hair-bearing scalp and then cut it out and sew it up directly. But most 14-year-olds do not want a balloon put in their head for 6 or 8 weeks and get made fun of for that. Or three, you can put some hair in it. And my son gave a talk on putting hair in the scars a couple of years ago. We'd done 16 or 18 of them back then. And we do 5 or 6 of them a year. And so this is the most recent one. So we FUE'd out a couple hundred grafts and put them in his scar. And here's the holes, and here's the hair in. And then they came a couple times that week, but they did a good job cleaning. And here he is at day 6, right?
Yes, before he was going on vacation.
Right, and then they were going on a vacation, and I think they're going to come back, and we're going to see him in around 2 months. Yeah. And then they're gone for a year, going overseas with the government. And so typically with these things, we've done a whole bunch of them. At 2 months, it's going to look just as bad as he looked the day we get a hold of him, and 6 months, you might have a few hairs growing, and about 15 months from now, I would expect that he would have most of that covered. And occasionally we have to do a little tune-up on those things, but we've been having a good run on those things. We really haven't.
He had, great hair. There's no, and those grafts were put in nicely. I don't think we need to, it will grow nicely. Perfect.
Yeah. So we like doing these kind of things because it's a bit off the beaten path, and I'm all into helping kids with stuff like this. We did a woman this week who had skin cancer.
Oh yeah, right. And she's coming for sutures tomorrow.
She lost her hair here 12 years ago, and we did her. She's coming tomorrow for stitches.
Yeah,
that's right.
She called me. She's coming tomorrow.
So if we can help you with things like that, please give us a call. Thanks.